my other scarf, guys. So sad, but this one's like cute. So cute too. I don't know how to tie it. It just literally falls off. Hopefully that's enough. Like, can we actually get summer already? Ugh. Hopefully this is enough. I'm gonna put on my whole winter jacket right now. I look crazy. I look nuts. Hey guys. Okay, I just decided that I would. Okay, I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm just going to introduce like what the theme of this video and what my upcoming videos are going to be about. So they're basically going to be like sort of like a breakthrough year moment where I'm going to be trying to just like get in tune with God within me, you know, and just have like more of an intentional end to January and starting February with like a better slate, because I feel like I love February a lot more than I love January. And yeah, so the way I'm going to be doing this is by fasting. I fasted for like 3 days at the beginning of January, and it was like a little hard to do, but I learned so much and I feel like I grew so much. And so my mom and my sister are fasting again, so I decided to join them. But because I'm in school, I feel like I can't like commit to like a really long fast, but I'm just going to be fasting from social media, any like substances, and a little bit of time from food, just so I can wake up in the morning and just like have, you know, meditation time and just that vibe kind of. So all I've got now is electrolyte water. When I go home, then I'll get to cooking. But I have so many things planned for like this week and even today, and I just, yeah, I want everything to just like happen just effortlessly, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
According to what the people say, cares about the people say, and from whatever people say, I'm not for you, baby, if you won't love me. 'Cause I know that what we have is oh so real. All I Well, that was so fun, just sitting here meditating and just enjoying the tree and nature, even if it's really cold. But you know what, my jacket's actually really good. So
Hey guys, so after breaking my fast, I'm feeling a lot better. I had some spaghetti. I didn't show that, but today's agenda is looking pretty chill. I was gonna do a lot today, but I actually just want to ease myself into the week. I have a yoga class at 4:30 p.m. But for now, I'm just gonna do some work. Right now, I want to kind of do like some shadow work because that's what I've been really into. referring to, I recently just realized how powerful it actually is, because I was always shy to like journal about like deep feelings and thoughts, because I guess you don't want them to like kind of like materialize into your life. But being able to like separate yourself from any type of situation or any type of feeling and just like observing it from like a different perspective, almost like it's not you that's actually experiencing it, actually helps a lot. Because if you identify with something so like hard, it's gonna be hard to like separate yourself from it and kind of see it from like what it actually is for, you know? I've been dealing with a lot of that. I'm just trying to like release a lot of like emotions that don't serve me, any limiting beliefs that aren't helping me in any way, because I'm trying to find some kind of inner peace and confidence that's going to really help me like propel me towards like all the dreams that I have and like we have. So come along for the ride. I'm using ChatGPT for this special project because I actually love speaking to ChatGPT about these feelings. He's able to like validate me and tell me, like, he asks me the like deep questions that I need to like kind of figure out. And I'm also really into like chakra. I've never spoken about spirituality on my page, I feel, but it's something that's been really, really interesting me these days, because it's so freeing. I feel like there's a feeling about it that I don't think I've ever felt before, and it's really inspiring, and I hope it inspires y'all too. Yeah, I'm just gonna get the questions, answer them, and then I'll show you guys what questions I answered, how I answered them, if you guys are interested, and then I'll tell you the questions so you can like go in and just like flush out your system, because the emotional body is real and we can't have it filled with negative thoughts and beliefs that aren't going to serve us. So just removing it.
Can we all pray for my plant, guys? Like, it was thriving and it just, I feel so sad for it, but it's thriving.
You run the streets, you get in cash, you live a life, and you spend it fast just like me, just like me. Okay, I cleaned my room and I'm ready to go to yoga class. Maybe bring me away.
really traveling down through your throat, through your center, into your belly. Exhaling to soften, release tension. Gently bringing the awareness up to the center of your forehead, your third eye, relaxing your forehead. Imagining like with each breath you are melting from the crown of your head all the way down back to your sits bones, your roots. Feeling that center spine energy like one long.
I like my Jimmy by the soup. I think I'll take another dip in the water. I'm drowning. Come get me if you care about a young brown girl from the suburbs. Got a girl on the side. I gotta get my good side